Yeah guys, welcome back. It's episode 20 of the Chevy 3100 build. I'd really like to get this completed in this video. Off camera, I worked on this down here. You can't see because it's dark, but did the cab corner. And now this is the next and final body work that I have to do on this truck. So but I think the real pain is going to be the door jam spot. So as you can see, I already got everything all taped up and stuff. So this I think is going to be the real pain, trying to get that all nice. But guess we're just going to do the best we can. So I don't know, guys. There's a little bit down here that I have to get to, but right now I'm just gonna mainly focus on this because that's like not even noticeable right now down here. So I want to get this this completed, and then hopefully, I'm still waiting on the color match for it, but hopefully we'll get that done soon because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 spots that are gonna need to get color matched. So hopefully we'll get that soon, and we'll get this done in this video. And also a quick thank you for 200 subscribers. Please like and subscribe so we can keep this channel going. So all right, let's get started. All right, so I got some on. I can already tell I'm gonna have to add another layer because it's still right here. You can see it. That's too low. Over here is gonna definitely be bad. So I'm just gonna sand this down and then get a smoother base to add another layer. So we'll get started sanding. All right, first layer is sanded down. As you can see, obviously there's a bunch of low spots. So this groove, like I said, I gotta add a little bit more because I want to make that as straight as possible. It would be easier to sand if I took the door off, but I really don't want to deal with lining the door up again because it's not fun, especially alone. So I'm just gonna leave that on. What I've been doing for the getting in like the grooves and stuff, I just wrapped around a screwdriver and then stick the screwdriver in it and move it up and down. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. I just wiped it down with mineral spirits, so I'm gonna wait just a second for that to dry and then add the second layer. The first layer wasn't as like deep in as I thought, now that I have to re-wipe it with mineral spirits, but it wasn't as like far in as I thought. So wish my hood was lined up better too. But so I'm just gonna wait a second and then add another layer, and then we'll sand that smooth. And I don't think I'll have to do it more than that unless I mess up this next batch, but I gotta do that too. I forgot about that last time. I honestly don't even know what that is, but probably just a weld that I grinded down. But so gonna add the second layer, sand that down. Down here, what I was talking about is like right here. That goes all the way down because I had to cut right here. It hit the door when it was fully closed. Right now it's still a little open, but it would hit the door right here. So I did a cut and I straightened it out. So I built this whole door gap basically. So then I re-welded it. So there's those welds. So I gotta do that too. Main priority is this right now. So just gonna add that second layer and get this finished hopefully tonight. It's like 11 p.m. right now, so want to get this done so before it gets too late. All right, second layer's on. Pretty confident that I won't need to add another layer. Besides this little section right there, you see it dips in. I couldn't for some reason get it to fill. It was just kind of pushing the top. But so I might just have to shove some in there. But other than that, pretty confident I can sand this all down smooth and be good with it. So just gonna let this dry and then we'll get to sanding. All right, so in that last clip, I completely lied because I still have to add more right here. And this is a high spot right here, so it dips down right there. So I'd add more right there. Fill in that little bit right there. And then a little bit right there so I can straighten this out a little better. But other than that, it's turning out pretty good in my opinion. So it's a little spot right there too. So just gonna add the last little bit and then finish it up. All right, so this is officially done. That's the best I'm gonna get it. So just gonna spray some primer on there so it's not bare metal and stuff. And I did actually start down there. You can't see because the door's open. But I just actually wanted to finish up this up here, get some primer on it so I can close the door completely, and then sand that better because right now the door is a little bit open because of all this stuff. So I get this finished up, then finish up down there, and then we'll be completely done with Bondo. Hey, so I lied again because once I got the primer and everything on, you can see a lot more of where I missed. Like there's there and there, so gonna have to do some more there, but got everything masked off because I'm gonna spray down some color on it. You can tell it's like it's not perfect, it's a little bit darker, but I think here I sprayed up to like here somewhere. But I mean, I feel like with the look of the truck, no one's really gonna bat an eye if it's a little bit off. But so I did right there. You can tell a little bit from here that's darker. But and then over here on the gas cap, a gas filler, old gas filler. So then so I just gotta spray here, there, obviously down there. So I'm gonna spray this side, and then actually I'm gonna do the body work on that side first, and then wipe everything down so I don't spray and then get sanding or a bunch of body filler dust and the wet paint. So I'm gonna add another layer, and hopefully this is the last one. No promises this time because I failed the last 2 times, so we'll see. All right guys, it's been a while. Everything is done. Color is clearly a bit darker, but kind of decided to just leave it because considering the truck's a bunch of different colors, no one's really gonna pay attention to it. But I got some stuff on the ceiling right now, but that's why it's a little glossy. But pretty happy with how everything turned out. I'm glad there's no more just black spots everywhere. And then also, if you watched the reel or short that I posted last week or 2 weeks ago, something like that, I was having a problem with my turn signal. Got that figured out. Someone actually commented that about an LED relay or flasher relay, because I guess LED bulbs or LEDs don't draw as much as bulbs, which I knew that, but I didn't exactly know like how it worked. So basically the bulbs, they open the relay by heating it up, and the LEDs don't draw enough to heat up the relay to open it. So I had to get a LED relay from Painless that it's like a microchip instead of like a regular relay, so it's not by heat. So now the turn signal's fixed. Looks a lot better with the LEDs on there, but that's it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I got a new carpet actually coming in today, so stay tuned for a video on that, because this one's all This one was meant for without the gas tank, which I don't have the gas tank, but I have this riser that I used for my seat brackets that I made. So this doesn't go all the way back, so push the whole carpet forward, mess the whole thing up. And this is a loop carpet, so I got an Essex carpet, and it's actually meant for with this riser, so it's gonna fit a lot better. It's not as much stuff's gonna get caught on it, so definitely gonna be better. That comes in later today. Hopefully I'll have a video on that out next week, something like that. But stay tuned. Thank you.